sit next to you?
Sure, Marinette.
This place is occupied. It's mine. How are you, Adrian?
I'm fine. You better be nice.
Adrian, don't worry. I'm used to it. What's your score for the test? I've got an A+. Chloe, what are you boasting for? The test was easy. Everyone got their A. Look here. An F? Impossible. Easy test, you say? I did everything correctly. I will freeze all your marks, and there will only be Fs. It's stormy weather. We have to save our school right now.
Wow, time for action.
Where are you all? Being alone is even better. Tiki, transform me. I'll stop you, stormy weather. Well. So what else can I do in this school? I won't let you destroy this school. Haha, Ladybug. Take it. Rain, come. What is it? It's so slippery. You can't defeat me. Cat Noir, where are you?
I'm always by your side, my lady.
Together, we can defeat her. I can defeat both of you. Wind! She's too strong. Lucky Charm! A napkin? Ah, I see. Cat Noir, I can fly. Distract her for a while.
I got it, my lady. Stormy weather, look.
What? We've got her umbrella. I'll be back.
We make a good team.
Now I am the main superhero in this city.
Hey, where's Ladybug? What do I do without her?
Ouch! Where am I? Wow! It's so beautiful. This is New York City! Skyscrapers!
Woo! Ah!
Ouch!
Ouch!
Who are you?
I'm Spider-Man.
Huh, he's handsome. I am Ladybug.
Never heard of you. If you are a superhero, I need your help. Let's go. This is Central Park. Somewhere around here is a supervillain. Ultron.
Ultron? Ha! It's not fair to attack from the back. Ha! Hop! Hop! You are quite clumsy.
What a girl?
Kia!
Oh, the system is shutting down. Just in case. Well done, Ladybug.
Thank you.
What shall I do? Where's Ladybug? Indeed, I have her GPS tracker. Flag, transform me. Again? No! Activating GPS tracking. She's in the New York Central Park. I'm very impressed by you. Who are you under the mask?
I can't say that. Just a usual girl. What are you doing?
Ah, Ladybug? No!
Cat Noir!
Ah! Ouch! Oh!
Phew! It's not over yet, Ladybug.
My lady, we've never been so close before.
Oh, I'll untie the rope.
Thank you.
Oh, my earrings! I'm transforming back.
See you, Ladybug.
What about me? Will you untie me?
Just a minute.
Thank you.
Bye.
Marinette, I'm so hungry. Wait a bit, Tiki. I'll give you something to eat.
Adrian, heavies again. Nom nom nom. Love it.
Marinette, we must find Antibug before she does any harm. You are right, Tiki. I wish I knew where she is. Now I am your superhero. What a nice car. It was. Right what I need. Give me the stroller. No! Do you hear that? Time to transform. Go on, Tiki.
Are you done? A bit more. Nom nom nom.
We have no time. Flag, do it!
Stop! Poor baby. I'll help you. Everything is going to be all right. What's that? What happened? You are...
Not so quick, Antibug. Cataclysm!
Watch out! Cat Noir can't live without your owner.
We are a team. And you probably have a tough time alone.
Gun, I'll show you. Kia! Yeah! Kia!
Ta-da! How do you feel down there?
Kia!
You missed! Ladybug, where are you? I can't distract her for long.
Lucky charm! A computer? What do I do with it? I see. Opening Chloe's page. Wow, great pictures. Like, repost, repost. You make me sick, Cat Noir. Huh. What's that? Oh, so many likes! Wow! Oh, my phone! I've got the earrings. No more evil Akuma. Bye-bye, white butterfly. Miraculous ladybug. Mommy! Where am I? Oh, my phone. Well done.
Give me 5.
Bye-bye, Cat Noir.
See you, my lady.
See you very, very soon.